Mr. Speaker, the issue here is subsidizing the treatment. Mr. Speaker, we have heard of the new health fund that was the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, which was scooped out of the health insurance scheme. Mr. Speaker, can the Minister of Health be programmed to come and address this important matter as to whether or not this can also be added to the Ghana Health Fund? Mr. Speaker, it is very important because, Mr. Speaker, there are matters that we may consider trivial, but somebody in the village who has this condition and does not have the means, Mr. Speaker, the thing is that it's not everything that the health insurance covers. And this is one important thing that, Mr. Speaker, we need the minister